Are you looking for affordable housing near the ocean? Well, look no further than Coastal Woods in New Smyrna. So I'm about 12 minutes from downtown in New Smyrna and the ocean, right here in Coastal Woods, a DR Horton community. So make sure you click the like and subscribe button if you like my property tours, where I cover all things real estate. And today we're going to go take a look at the Hayden and the Cali, two of DR Horton's most popular models. And don't forget, I'm giving away a Jeep this year. So if you buy or sell real estate with me, Misty Cabanis, in 23, you get entered into a drawing to win a real live Jeep that you can take in the mud or drive on the street. And also want to add, new construction is one of the best ways to buy properties in today's market. The interest rates are insane, as far as the builders are able to buy the interest rates and make housing much more affordable. So new construction is definitely an option in today's market, not to mention how energy efficient these homes are. So let's go in and take a look at the Hayden and the Cali here at Coastal Woods.